This is the MVH500A tripod. Let's begin. Let us start with the twisted leg locks. Open and close the locks to adjust to any desired height. Expand the legs until the spreader is flat. To adjust the balance of your tripod, locate the spirit level under the plate. Follow the bubble until it reaches the dead center and then lock it with the help of the holding grip located below the spirit level. Adjust the pan bar by loosening the knob located on top of the pan bar and lock the knob to keep the pan bar in your desired position. To tilt to any position you desire, unlock the loosen lever and then lock it to help the plate stay in place. To pan to any position you desire, unlock the knob behind the tripod and lock it to make it stay in place. Let's move on to the plate. The plate should be located in the compartment inside the tripod bag. Once the camera and plate are attached, place the plate on the tripod with the hole facing the pan bar and then tighten the knob next to the plate to secure it. This is an equipment educational video from the Mass Communications Lab here at EPCC. If you need help, please reach out to one of our lab assistants or scan the QR code.